Now everyone see the board is visible now. Okay. Now everyone collected doubts from the doubt from the chapter number 2E. Yes. Please tell me. What is your answer for the 6075 you are doing? Yes. What is the answer? Done. Okay. So please see, there is some formula in the previous class. I already told about this formula. Product of two number is equal to LCM multiplied by HCF. Yes, in the previous class already, but some students can see please. And if we have to find the LCM, then product of two number divided by HCF. Everyone please write it as classwork. और कल जिसने लिख लिया है प्रीवियस क्लास में इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी टू राइट HCF इज इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर अपॉन LCM and the third one is one number is equal to LCM multiplied by HCF upon other number. Or if it is other, then you can use the, if it is other number, then you can use the other number here, LCM multiplied by HCF upon one number. So every question number with the help of this formula, question number 6, 17, 18, 17, 18, 19, 20, 17, 18, 19, 20, you all can do by your own. Using this formula, this is the homework basically, 17, 18, 19 and 20. 17, 18, 19 and 20. Using this formula you can do by your own. If you find any problem, you will ask in next class, tomorrow's class basically. Okay. Now, what's your name? नाम भूल गया तुम्हारा. Smriti. Just read the question 21st. 21st question. Read the 21st question. Okay. सबने लिख लिया? Everyone copied? Mark this question in book. Okay. Good. So see, some students are offline and some students are online. In the class 6, there is 4, 7, good, 6, 10 student is coming offline and rest are the online. Okay. Now the question number 20. Find the least number divisible by 15, 20, 24, 32 and 36. We have to find the least number. We have to find the least number. Can you tell me what is least number? Least number क्या होता है? Yes, okay. तुम बताओ स्मृति. You don't know? What is your name? Yes. Pardon? Sit down. Raj? Acha, Raj Kishore. Okay, now Raj Kishore, tell me what is least number? Don't raise hand. Least number is basically the smallest number. And what is the full form of LCM? Least means the smallest number, and the full form of HCF is lowest common multiple. So, in question number 21, find the least number divisible by 15, 20, 24, 32, and 36. We have to find the least common multiple. We have to find the least common multiple of 15, 20, 24, 32, and 36. Now it is clear or not? Question number 21. We have to find the least LCM of 15, 20, 24, 32, and 36. This is the first step. We have to find the LCM. Means the LCM is known as least common multiple. So we have to find a smallest multiple that can be divisible by these numbers. वो इन numbers से divide हो सके. So we have to find the LCM of this number, and this method is known as LCM by division method. Clear everyone? This method is called LCM by division method. Yes? हाँ, तुम लोग को भी बोलना है भाई, इधर ऑफलाइन ऑनलाइन में मैं कंफ्यूज हो जाता हूँ कि किस तरह पॉइंट आउट करूँ. So everyone, please see, we have to find the least common multiple of this 15, 20, 24, 32, and 36. So कोई ऐसा छोटा नंबर, टेल मी द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बाय विच ऑल द नंबर्स may be divide. Yes, 2. 2. I want to try. I want to divide all the numbers by 1. Is it be possible? Good. Yes, 1. Exactly right. So everyone do your own LCM. सभी अपनी कॉपी में देखें और start doing the LCM. Yes. Hmm? This is the LCM. So now we multiply 5 to the 10 to the 23 the 60 to the 120 to the 246 the 246 the 240 into 6. Yes, it's 4440. It's 440. So the LCM is equal to 1440. This is the number. This is the lowest common multiple that is divisible by 15, 20, 24, 32 and 36. समझ आया? Any confusion in this? Yes. Oh, you can do here also, then 3 also, it's okay. It's here also. अब उसको दो बार लिखेंगे, मेरे पास जगह नहीं है बोर्ड पे. ये 8 का 4 लिखा ना. This 1 for 1, 1 for 1, 2 for 1, 8 for 4, 3 for 3. No, tell me from there. 5, 2, 2 and then 3. 6, 8, 9. 3, 3, 1, 1, it's 2, it's 8, it's 3. How? With 3. Sit down please. With 3, 8 is 8. Okay? So now this is clear to everyone? Yes? See, listen. This is an order. You can use your own order. I divide with 5, you divide with 2, then 5. Okay, tell me. If it is 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, it is not equal to 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Huh? It is equal. Don't confuse yourself. If the order is not same, it doesn't matter for anything. See, in addition and subtraction, I think you all know that the order is not a matter for addition and multiplication. है ना? हमने पढ़ा ना क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी, कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी, क्या ये सब पढ़ा, याद है कि नहीं? सो प्लीज जोर से बोलो सभी. यस सर. हाँ, गुड. सो ऑर्डर का कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. यहाँ मैंने 5 से किया, यू कैन डू विथ 2. 5 एक बार आएगा. देयर इज 5. कहीं ना कहीं किसी प्लेस पे 5 एग्जिस्ट होगा, बिकॉज 15 and 20 both are divisible by 5. If you divide with 3, it will 5. Then you have to do with 5. Okay? Okay, now Asta, read the next question, please. Okay. So no one has any doubt. So I want can I ask some questions from all? Are you ready? Now I want to see na ki I told you in the previous class ki you can take out your doubts and discuss. If I am doing all questions, then it means that what? I think there is a doubt or confusion. So the next question is, find the greatest number. अब तुम बोल रहे हो आधे घंटे मतलब 20 मिनट की क्लास के बाद माई डाउट कर रहे हो. यस, टेल मी व्हाट इज योर डाउट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 24. ठीक है, कर देंगे इसको भी. नाउ फर्स्ट वी डिस्कस द 22nd क्वेश्चन. सी, I will tell you the solution. I will tell you the solution how you solve this question and try to do your own, because I don't have enough time in the revision. So I want ki you all can do your own sums and try to practice by your own at your home, not in school, because there is only 30 minutes. This is a limited time. So the 22nd question is, find the least number which when we divided by 25, 40 and 60 leaves 9. Leaves 9 as the remainder in each case. Means if we take out a least number, then if we divide with 25, then the remainder is 9. And if we divide with 40, the remainder is 9. If we divide with 60, the remainder is 9. In each case, the remainders are same. So for this type of question, you have to find the again least common multiple. Yes, least. So you have to find the least. ऐसे नहीं हम इसको लिखते हैं. Now the 22nd question, required number is equal to LCM of 25, 40 and 60 plus 9. Yes. At the last, whatever your least common multiple, and you can add with 9 to get your answer. Is it be clear? Hmm? So you can try by your own and do these all question you can do in homework copy, and all the homework you have to send till Sunday 5 p.m. in the app. ठीक है, अभी तक कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है, जो इन्फॉर्मेशन हमारी पहले थी वही कंटिन्यू है. ओके, दिस इज फॉर द ऑफलाइन एंड ऑनलाइन बोथ स्टूडेंट्स. यू हैव टू सबमिट योर होमवर्क इन ऐप. जिनके पास नहीं है, दे विल कंसल्ट नंदन सर एंड टेक योर आईडीज एंड वट एवर एल्स, देन हाउ टू यूज द ऐप, और फिर करना है वहां से. ठीक है, इज दैट क्लियर एवरीवन? ओके, नाउ दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन. 22nd, required number is equal to LCM of these three plus 9. If we get a least common multiple and then plus 9, in each and every case you get a remainder of 9. Okay, clear? Now the 23rd question. Find the least number of 5 digits that is exactly divisible by 16, 18, 24 and 30. Same question. Find the least number. Find the least number. 23rd and 24th both are same. जिसने भी क्वेश्चन पूछा था, डाउट बोला था, वो देख ले और समझ ले. See, basically in this question there is a slightly change. What is the change? You have to find the least number, but it must be of 5 digits. It must be of 5 digits. So this basically the process for this is the same. 23rd, we have to find the least number of 5 digits. So first we have to take out the LCM of 16, 18, 24 and 30. Yes. So take out the fast take out the LCM. 16, 18, 24 and 30. Do it fast. Everyone do it fast by your own. Yes. What is the LCM? What is the LCM? Five twos are 10, 10 threes are 30, and 30, 30 twos are 60, 60, 120, 240, and now 240 into 3. 720 is the LCM is what? 720. Now see, the LCM is 720. And now, you last. Tell me what is the least 5-digit number? Yes. Least 5-digit number. Yes. Saurabh, least 5-digit number. Least 5-digit number. Just एक second मिलता. Sit down, please. Tell me, Saurabh, what is the least 5-digit number? Don't raise hand. You don't know? Next, 5-digit number, smallest. You don't. 1,000. It's 10,000. So, the smallest 5-digit number, sit down, everyone. Smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Now we have to divide this 10,000 with 720. Do the division fast. Huh? Bolo? 14. And the number is divisible. ये हो सकता है 14 कैसे आया? Is it be possible to divide? No? Yes. We have to take 3 in place of 4. जैसा डिवाइड होता है वैसे ही डिवाइड करना है. And now it is 0, 6 and 21. So it will be 0, now it is 4 and it is carry forward 7, 60, 640. Yes? Clear? And now see. Now everyone see, this is now the क्या बोलते हैं इसको, climax. The required number is equal to 1,000, 10,000 plus. This is the thing. Up, if we subtract, is it be possible to be a smallest number? अगर हम इसमें 1 भी माइनस करते हैं तो क्या हो जाएगा ये स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर रहेगा? अरे बोलो ना जोर से. नहीं सर. हाँ सर. हाँ. No, no, don't. Okay, okay, you don't say. I am asking with the offline students. Yes. Yes or no? What will? क्या हो जाएगा अगर -1 भी करें इसमें तो? It. Yes. This number changed to the greatest number. Yes. So is in this case, in this question, we have to find the what? We have to find the greatest 5-digit number. So we have to add. So what we have to add? 1,000 plus 720 minus 640. And it will be, I think, 80. So the answer is 10080 is the required number. What is the difference of this? 80 or not? So 10,000 plus 80 is 10,080. So the required number is 10,080. Is that clear, everyone? Online. आस्था, तो ये डाउट नहीं था क्या? I think no one able to solve this question. This is not a doubt. ये डाउट नहीं है. तुम्हें आता था? किसको? You. तो अब तुम इंडिविजुअली कैसे करें? बाकी का क्या करेंगे? उनको घर भेज दें? फिर? I am asking with the class, not you. Now this is clear? And if it is, in the next question, it is the greatest 4-digit, 5-digit number. Then in place of this, you can take, yes, and then try to divide, and then you can use the subtraction method. If you add, it will become a largest number, or if you subtract, then it will be the smallest. Okay? Clear everyone? Okay, bye bye everyone. Take care. Now the class is over.